So yeah, welcome to my channel, and in this video I will show you the 1 week Facebook result for educational consultancy. So yeah, let me go to my Facebook ad manager. So yesterday the campaign was completed and today is November 7th, 2023. Just wait, let me go to yeah. So this is 1 week campaign. So October 31 to November 6. And here we have campaign. As you can see, it's completed, and reach is 293 impression. Actually, impression is always higher than reach, and amount spent 6.68. So yeah, you can see amount spent $7, and reach is 22,944, and impression is 30. So as I'm saying that impression is always higher than reach. And yesterday the campaign was completed, as you can see, 6 November 2023, 7 p.m. and today is November 7. So total link clicks is 512, and per link clicks cost is 0.01. So if I go to this ad set, and you can see this is 30 October to 6 November, up to 6 November. And this is our ad, as you can see. So total 512 link clicks on our ad. So let me show you my ad. And here it says you cannot edit this ad because the ad set has ended. Okay. And this was our ad. If you can see. Yeah, and this is our ad set. You can see started, ended, and this is our campaign. So yeah, this is the result, total 512 link clicks. And let me post this to so let me post from here. This is here now public. So yeah, let's see. So yeah, here you can see it's posted. So if I go back to my profile, and yeah, the ad post is posted. So yeah, this is it, and I will see you in the next video.